So, pag mamatay ang kanilang partner, yan sila, tawag dito. Meron silang tendency.
Inside, you'll get to see the majestic Philippine eagle, one of the rarest and most powerful birds of prey in the world. They are huge species with wingspans reaching up to 7 feet, and we learn about how they are being fed, how they are cared for, as they are a species that is considered endangered, with extremely low populations of less than 1,000 and 400 breeding pairs left.
So, pag ano sila,
Ilalagay
oh,
Pero isa lang ang partner nila, di ba?
oh, yeah.
So pareho silang ilalagay.
Kukunan, may semen, may specimen at ang kukunin sa kanila na i-ano sana. Kaya kasi meron talagang meron talagang
Now, each eagle has their own story, like how they were found, bred, or taken care of individually, and it was inspiring to see how they are being safeguarded here at the Philippine Eagle Center.